When selecting the best women's running shoes, prioritize comfort, support, and durability. Consider your running style, foot shape, and any specific needs. Popular options include Nike Air Zoom Pegasus, Brooks Ghost, and Asics Gel Kayano. There are many products available to choose a women running shoes, each with different characteristics, benefits. To help you make an informed decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and made a list of the best women running shoes from renowned brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for folks like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my video description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Brooks Women's Ghost 14 Neutral Running Shoe. Introducing the Brooks Women's Ghost 14, the epitome of comfort and performance in neutral running shoes. Engineered with precision and crafted with care, these shoes are designed to elevate your running experience to new heights. The Ghost 14 boasts a plush and responsive cushioning system, providing a smooth and comfortable ride mile after mile. The neutral support caters to a variety of foot types, ensuring a natural and efficient gait cycle. The shoe's updated mesh upper enhances breathability and flexibility, keeping your feet cool and comfortable during intense runs. Featuring Brooks' signature DNA Loft and Biomogo DNA midsole technologies, the Ghost 14 delivers a perfect balance of softness and responsiveness. The segmented crash pad accommodates each stride, providing a seamless heel-to-toe transition. With an eye-catching design and a focus on performance, the Brooks Women's Ghost 14 is not just a shoe, it's a companion on your journey to surpassing your running goals. Lace up, hit the road, and experience the next level of comfort and support with every step. Number 2. Gravity Defyer Women's Pain Relief Wide Shoes. Gravity Defyer Women's Pain Relief Shoes offer a revolutionary solution to alleviate various foot ailments, ensuring unparalleled comfort and support. Engineered with advanced arch support, these shoes effectively combat conditions like plantar fasciitis, providing relief from persistent foot and knee pain. The orthopedic design ensures a secure fit and helps enhance stability, making them ideal for individuals seeking optimal support. Crafted to address a range of foot concerns, including heel pain, these shoes boast a wide design to accommodate different foot shapes. The inclusion of a free orthotic further enhances the footwear's adaptability to individual needs. Whether you're on your feet all day or dealing with chronic discomfort, Gravity Defyer Women's Pain Relief Shoes are designed to make every step more comfortable. Experience the freedom to move without the constraints of pain, as these shoes combine fashion and functionality to redefine your footwear experience. Invest in your well-being with Gravity Defyer, where style meets relief for a step towards a pain-free life. Number 3. On Women's Cloud 5 Sneakers. Step into style and comfort with the Women's Cloud 5 sneakers, a perfect fusion of fashion and function. These sneakers are not just shoes, they're a statement of empowerment, designed to complement the dynamic lifestyle of modern women. Crafted with precision and innovation, the Cloud 5 sneakers boast a sleek silhouette that effortlessly transitions from casual outings to active pursuits. Engineered with cutting-edge technology, these sneakers offer superior cushioning, ensuring every step is a cloud-like experience. The breathable mesh upper provides ventilation, keeping your feet cool and fresh throughout the day. Whether you're navigating city streets or conquering your fitness goals, the Women's Cloud 5 sneakers provide the support you need without compromising on style. Available in an array of chic colors, these sneakers are a versatile wardrobe essential. Elevate your fashion game while embracing comfort, because every woman deserves to stride with confidence. Experience the perfect blend of fashion-forward design and unparalleled comfort with the Women's Cloud 5 sneakers, a tribute to the unstoppable spirit of today's women. Number 4. Brooks Women's Launch 9 Neutral Running Shoe. The Brooks Women's Launch 9 Neutral Running Shoe is a pinnacle of athletic footwear engineering, seamlessly combining style and performance for the modern runner. Designed with precision and innovation, these shoes cater to the unique needs of neutral runners, providing optimal support and comfort mile after mile. Featuring a lightweight yet durable construction, the Launch 9 is built for speed and agility. The sleek and stylish design reflects Brooks' commitment to both form and function, making these shoes a versatile choice for both casual and competitive runners. The neutral support ensures a natural and efficient gait cycle, while the responsive cushioning absorbs impact, reducing strain on joints. The breathable mesh upper promotes airflow, keeping your feet cool and comfortable during intense workouts. The shoe's traction and grip are enhanced, offering stability on various surfaces. Whether you're hitting the pavement for a quick jog or pushing your limits in a marathon, the Brooks Women's Launch 9 Neutral Running Shoe is your trusted companion, delivering a harmonious blend of performance and aesthetics to elevate your running experience. Number 5. On Women's Cloud X Sneakers. In the dynamic world of fashion, the Women's Cloud X sneakers stand out as a fusion of comfort and style. These sneakers redefine casual footwear, offering a blend of cutting-edge design and innovative technology. Step into a world where fashion meets functionality, and every stride is a statement. Crafted with precision, the Women's Cloud X sneakers boast a sleek and modern aesthetic that effortlessly complements any outfit. The breathable mesh upper provides optimal ventilation, ensuring your feet stay cool and comfortable throughout the day. The cloud-like cushioning delivers a responsive and supportive feel, making each step a pleasure. Whether you're hitting the gym, exploring the city, or simply running errands, these sneakers are designed to keep up with your active lifestyle. Embrace the perfect synergy of fashion and function with the women's Cloud X sneakers, a must-have for the modern, dynamic woman who refuses to compromise on style or comfort. Step into the future of footwear and make every moment a fashionable and comfortable adventure. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.